Hello, my name is Yuri Zuban, and I'm a conversational backend developer currently working at Master of Code Global and GLIA. This video will be about a project which I called Memorate, a tool for generating questions to any text or a YouTube video intended to help with memorization. It's my Hello World pet project in the context of using large language models. I tend to learn new things by doing small pet projects, and this is one of them. This project was written in vanilla Python, no LangChain or other frameworks for working with LLMs, and it uses Streamlit.io, a framework for building front-ends for data apps. This is my first project created using OpenAI APIs and Streamlit, and also I'm really writing on Python and work mainly with Node.js, so I apologize for the possible straightforwardness in some implementations. Let me show you how it works and then comment about what is happening under the hood. It has two tabs, text and YouTube. The first tab, text, allows you to paste some text. After clicking the button Generate Questions, we are getting several multiple choice questions to the text. The user needs to check one correct option. Also, each question has an option to mark the question as irrelevant. When some option is checked, the user is notified whether their answer was correct or not, and also is getting a quote from the original text with the relevant part highlighted. Let's check this one, and we see that this answer is incorrect. So the app says that unfortunately, no, the correct answer is a different one, an artificial intelligence chatbot. And here we see the quote from the original text. So ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot. Okay, let's check the correct answer. And it was this. So we see correct and another quote which confirms it. And let's check this option. So in this case, we do not see the confirmation, just a notification that the question was skipped and it won't be included into the calculations. The application also is calculating the score and shows the percentage of correct answers among the answered questions. The YouTube tab is similar to the text tab, but it allows to paste a URL to some YouTube video. And when we click Generate Questions, the app first fetches the captions for this video and then generates questions to them. What is different from the text tab is that when a user answers a question, they may be presented not with a section of the original text which confirms the correct answer, but with a YouTube video player stopped at the position when the correct answer will be shown. Let me show that. Let's try this one. Yep, and then the video will be played starting from some point. Generated by the application. So when the Generate Questions button is clicked, the app takes the input text and adds it into the following prompt sent to the OpenAI completion endpoint. The prompt looks like this. Ask 3 multi-choice questions to the following text. Each question should have 3 answer options. Mark the correct answer with this character at the end. Then goes the text. And here is what we receive from the OpenAI endpoint. So question 1 was what is ChatGPT, and several options, and we see that the first option is marked with this character. Then we have question 2 and question 3 with each with 3 options A, B and C. Then we extract the correct answers. So this is a list with 3 correct answers. And we make the second request to OpenAI API, in this case with the following prompt. So in the following text, find the sentences which correspond to the following phrases, and we add 3 correct answers and the original text. OpenAI API returns some sentences from the original text for each of the 3 answers. Then we do some parsing and prepare the pieces of original text with those relevant pieces highlighted. In case of the YouTube tab, the application first fetches captions for the given YouTube video, and then here are the captions, and then generates questions to them, similarly to what was done earlier for the text. The only difference is that we have a part where we calculate the timestamps where the player needs to be stopped when showing the video after the user responds to the question.